What's up, guys? So been a couple days, but the car still hasn't moved. However, today we aim to fix that. We're gonna replace this guy right there. No, we got a couple things to take off. First, we're gonna start taking off this intake. We'll probably unbolt the downpipe from the back, take off this this coupler for boost, and then see if we can't get at those bolts on the bottom, kind of holding that down to our manifold, and then we'll see if we can't get our new one on there. Oh, I think that's the noise we were hearing. Look at that. You could throw a couple hamburgers down that hallway. Jesus, we gotta get this thing out of here. Just a little update here, guys. We're going to pull off these back downpipe bolts next, and we're going to pull off the oil line. We already loosened up this charge pipe thing, coupler and bobber. Then we're ready for the 4 bolts on the bottom, and we're ready to pull this guy out. Just look at this one more time, okay? Craigslist would be like, new condition, highway miles, only driven on Sunday. Well, guys, shoot. I guess I'm a little unequipped to do it. I don't have quite enough tools right now, even though I got a whole garage full of tools over there, and I've got tools here. But this bottom downpipe bolt under there, not the closest one, the one that's actually underneath the side of the turbo, it's literally impossible for me to get off with the 2 tools that I have. So I'm gonna make a trip to the parts store or something and try to find something that I can get in there and get that bolt out with. Because this thing, if I get that one bolt out, I'll pull it. I already got the other downpipe bolts off. I can pull the downpipe off, pull the oil lines off, pull the turbo off. We can throw the new one on, and we'll be boosted in no time. So I'll catch up with you in a little bit.